Yeah. So in the last class, what we had done, we have completed from 20 to 50 questions. All the questions are clear, and before that, from 1 to 20 we have covered. And at present, what we will do, we will solve the 51st question here. So the question here is 16.928 plus 24.7582 divided by 5.015. So the question here is the division first, later the addition. By division, what I can do, 5 times 5 is enough, we can calculate, because 24 point something is very near to 25, and 5 how many times? 5 times. If I add 5, 16.9 is nothing but 17 plus 5 is 22. So the answer is, I can get the value here, I can select, it's a 22. The reason is, this is not 5, this is 5.015, and this is not 24, this is 24.7582, because that is very lesser by 0.25, and this is more by 0.015. So what I will get a value approximately 5 point, a little more than a 5. So that if I add that, I'll get 22. So that I can guess the value here is 22. Next question. So cube root of 7.938. This is very near to 8. And here if I observe all the options, there is none of the above. Earlier case, it was a little tough because none of the above was present. And at present here, 7.938 is cube root of 8. I can get the value 2 into 6.1 whole square. I can get as 6 square is 36. 36 minus 4.9 is nothing but I can get it as 5. So 36 2 times minus 5. So nearly it's a 70. There is no other option which is very near to the answer. So answer here is 36 2 times is 72 minus 5, because all these are approximations, because this is not 6, this is 66.120, because 61 square, what is 61 square? 37. What is 61 square? 21. So 61 square. So that is the logic, because if I increase 6.1, so the value automatically it will increase. That is not 36, that might be 37.21, that might be even more that, because that is not even 61, that is 6.120, that is very near to 612 whole square. So we are not going here to calculate 6.12 whole square or 61.2 whole square or 612 whole square, but this is very easy for us to analyze. It is just 6 square, right? Okay. So we are starting from 52, right? And where were we? Okay. It's okay. Moving to the next. Yeah, it's okay. Because if you worry that, the class will be delayed. Okay. 16.046 divided by 2.8 into 0.599 equals to question mark 16. This is, I'll write 160 and 28. I just removed one decimal point, right? Okay. So 28 how many times? 160. It is nearly 30. 30 how many times? 35 times. So this is more than 5. That is not 5, that is more than 5. 35 times is 150, but it is 150. 160 is more than 150, and as well as this is not 30, this is less than 30. So the value is more than, definitely more than 5. So 5 into this is 0.6. 5 6 it's 30, more than 30, it's 3.5. So the answer is 3.5. So moving to the next question. So 961 cube square root is known to us. The value here is 31. And what is this? 4.895 whole square, that is nearly 5. 5 square is 25. 25 minus, so 9.24. So 9.24, and this is 9, right? So 0.24, go ahead with that. 31 and 25. If I add 56, 56 minus 9, that is nearly 45. Approximately that is equal. So answer is 45 because there is no none of the above. Moving to the next question. So 12 into 19. 12 2 times is 24. 20 times is 240. 240 minus 12 is 228 plus 13 times 8. 13 table please. 13 times 8. How much? It's 104. 104 and 228. If I add, what I will get? I will get it's 332, which is 15 times 14, which is 210 plus question mark. If I subtract 210, 332 minus 210, it's 122. So answer over 122 is the right choice. So here, so you can install Mr. Hafiz e-learning app where you can get enormous knowledge, not just specific to academics, not even for competitive, not even for technical. In all round, whatever you require, that will be there in the app itself. Moving to the next question. So 65 into 12. What is 65 into 12? So into minus plus, that is all under root. 65 into 12, 650 plus 65 into 10 is 650. And 65 into 2 is 130. So I can easily get it in my brain. I can get it as 780. 780 minus 50 plus 54. So this is just a plus 4. So 784. 784 root is 28. So answer over. Moving to the next question. So 15% of 524 minus 2% of 985 plus question mark 20% of 423. So 15% of 524, that is 52.4, that is 10% value, and 5% value is 27.2. This is 5% value and this is 10% value. Okay, and the value of 2% is 9.85 into 2. So 9.85 into 2 is, that is 19.7. 19.7 minus 19.7 and plus question mark equals to 20% of 423. 10% is 42.3 and 20% is 84.6. 84.6 and 84.6 is there, question mark is there. So after this question mark is there, the question mark I'll keep it and I'll send all this to the other side. So 52, I'll take approximation. Can I take, yeah, a little 25.9 and 25.7, it's a dangerous. I'll just add 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 7, 6.6 minus 7, so definitely 0.9. 0.9 if I go there, so that will be minus 0.9. Minus 0.9 and 0.6, again I'll get 7. So which is, so these two, any answer, these two, it lies between 27.7 or 25.7. No, I should get my answer, accurate answer. So 52 plus 27, the answer here is 52 plus 27 is 80. Is that 60, 79? Yes or no? 79.6. 79.6 minus 19.7. So what I will get? 50. Is that 50? 59.9. Is that so? 59.9. So that is 84.6. This is what a question mark, because 84.6 is the other side and 59.9 is went outside, that side, so right hand side, minus 59. So 0.6 and 0.9, 54 and 59. So what is the difference? It's just a 55 difference. So my answer is 55.7, not 20, sorry, 27, not 27, it's a 25.7, because the unit digit after decimal I should get a 7, so 0.7 is only 1 now because it's a 25.7. so answer over. Next question. 151 into 8 plus 228 divided by 19. Okay, so first division first. 19 how many times? 228. 19 10 times 190 and 2 times, that is 12. 12 square is 144. and here it is 151 into 8, 151 into 8, so 15 8 times 120, so it's a 1208. So if I multiply, I'll get 1208 plus 144, so 8 plus 4, it's 2, so there is no 2, none of the above answer. Units place should be 2, there is no 2 because none of the above will be my answer. Moving to the next question. So square root of 1521, so 15 and 21, so based on 21 I should get it's 1 or 9 because it's a square root. Based on 15 what I should get, it is lies between 9 and 16 and very near to 16, so 16 is 40, so it's a 39 square, it's a 39 square, so 39 plus it's a 15, 39 plus 15 is, what is my answer? 39 plus 15 is 54, so answer over. Moving to the next question. So 38.734 plus 8.638 minus 5.19, so very simple, subtract 5 here, I'll get more than 3, and if I add 3 what I will get, 38 plus 3 is 41 plus 0.7 is there, and here I will get 0.5, 0.7 and 0.5, definitely it is more than, okay, here these are two cases, okay, 42 point something is my answer. There are two possibilities, so I should take the last digit. So 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 minus 0, 2, so answer is 42.182, so my answer is 42.182, there is no other alternative. So moving to the next question. So 7 power 8.9 divided by in the sense I can make it as minus. So 300 into 343 I will make it minus. 343 is 7 cube and 1.7, 1.7 3 times is 5.1 minus 5.1, and this is 7 square whole to the power of 4.8, that is 4.8 2 times, 4.8 2 times is 9.6, so plus 9.6. So if I do that, that will be equal to the question mark, so this question mark is equals to this. So 8.9 and 5.1, if I subtract here it's a 3.8, if I 3.8 and 9.6, 8 and 6, it's a 4, definitely the answer is 13.4. Moving to the next question. So what we are providing in Masters Academy, SSC Staff Selection Commission and IBPS and CRT and APPSC and UPSC, Police and all other courses very specific to you. You can enhance your skills, where this is the only opportunity where the environment will create you to involve and participate and get more knowledge, more and more, and by solving few assignments, few involving in classes and live classes and app, all other aspects. Moving to the next question. So this is not a 5 because fifth root is not there in a 512. There might be third cube root 512 or ninth root 512, because it's a 2 power 9 and 512 or 8 cube, so whatever it may be. If it is this is the question, 8 cube whole power 1 by 3 will get cancelled, divided by, that is 2 power 4 and 4 will get cancelled, 2 power 4 whole power 1 by 4 will get cancelled, plus square root of 576. If this is the question, what will happen? So this is 8 divided by 2, this will be 4 plus square root of 576 is 24, so 28 is the answer. There is no 28, so none of the above. So moving to the next question. So 42 into 3.2 divided by 16 into 1.5. So I will remove this point here and point here. 16 one time, 16 two time, 16 one time and 16 two time. So 42 into 2 is 84 divided by 5. 5 how many times? 80. 5 how many times? 80. 16 point. Yes. So none of the above. No need to think. There is no second thought, because this is into So 42 into 3.2 divided by 16 into 1.5, point will get cancelled. This is not 5, right? This is 15, sorry for that. This is 15. So 84 divided by 15. 15 how many times? 15 5 times, right? 15 5 times how much? 75. 15 5 times 75. 84 minus 75 is 9. 9 by 15. 9 by 15 is 3. 3 times 3 5 times. So 5.6. 5.6 is the answer. That is not none of the above. Can I move to the next question? Moving to the next question. So 199 5 cube divided by 4 into 4 cube. Okay. So 199 plus 5 cube is 125 divided by 4 into 4 square. So here the square value and 4 will get cancelled. 125 into 4 is 500. 500 plus 199 is 699. So none of the above. There is no 699. So answer is none of the above. And 342 divided by 6 into 28 equals to 1099 plus question mark. If this is the answer, this is the question. 6 how many times? 6 5 times is 6 5 times 30 and 6 7 times. So 57. 57 into 28. What is 57 into 28? I should multiply these two. So whatever it may be, 7 8 times. 7 8 times is 6. Last unit digit is 6. 6. What should be added? What should be added to get a 6? 9 plus 7 should be added to get a 6. But there is no 7 in a unit digit. So none of the above. No need to solve the question, because there is no 7 there. There is no answer here. So all these are the courses available in Masters Academy, right? Moving to the next question. 300 and this, I think this is already over. So the answer is none of the above. And 9.8 into 2.5 into 7.6 divided by 0.5. If this is the case, 0.5 5 times and 7.5 into 7.6 into 5. So 76 by 2 is 38. So 38 into 9.8. So 38 into 10 times is 380. It is just less than 380. Just less than 380. Less than 380. Less than 380. So in these two the answer might be there. But this is not. So 38 into 10 will be 380, but that is lesser by 0.2. So lesser by 0.2 means 8 2 times 6. If it is 6 lesser, then there should be a 0.4. 0.4 is the answer. Answer over. So 10 minus 6 is a 4. So 4 should be present in a unit digit. Or 8 8s are last 4. Next. 3 by 5 into 2 by 7 into question mark equals to 4 to 6. So 3 how many times? 3 14 times, 3 2 times. And 2 how many times? 2 how many times? 2 71 times. So question mark equal to 71 into 5 7s 31, 35. So 35 one time is 35. So 3 is a carry value. 35 7 times. 7 5 is 35, 7 3 times 21. So 220 plus 35, 245. 245 plus 3 is 248. So answer is 248. 248. 248 5. Moving to the next question. So 3 2 by 5 plus 1 2 by 9 equals to 4 4 by 5 minus question mark. So if this is the question, the answer should be, the question mark should be placed at the other end. Question mark equals to 4 4 by 5 minus 3 2 by 5 minus 1 2 by 9. So 4 minus 3 minus 1. So these symbols already over, because this is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is a 0. Then I should take only 4 by 5, 2 by 5 and 2 by 9. Only I should focus on that. 4 by 5 and 2 by 5 is 6 by 5. So 6 by 5. This is not addition, this is subtraction. This is subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 5 2s are 10. 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. 8 divided by 45. 8 divided by 45. So answer is 8 divided by 45. Moving to the next question. So 13 by 63 into 14 divided by 104 into 52 divided by 19. So here what I can do, 7 2 times, 7 9 times, and 13 1 time, 13 8 time, and 4 2 time, 4 13 times. Is there any other possibility? Okay, 9 2s are 18. 18 into 7, 18 into 19. 19 square is 361. That is very huge. 2 will get cancelled automatically. So 13 divided by only one. Answer over. So next. So please install Mr. Hafiz e-learning app and get in touch to the competitive world. Right. So cube root of 13824 into square root of question mark equals to 864. So moving to here. So 13, whenever you are trying to find the cube root of it, what we should do, 3 digits should be taken. So 824 should be taken apart and 13 apart. So 824, you should focus 4 here, the unit digit. So which square is 4? 4 cube is a 64. So unit digit is 4. Is there any other number which will provide you only 4 as a cube? So what is 1 cube? 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is last unit digit is 7. 4 cube is unit digit is 4. 5 cube is you will get 5. 6 cube is you will get 6. 7 cube is 3. You will get 3. And 8 cube is 2. What 9 cube is? 9 cube is how much? 9. So all these will become, and for the unit digit 4, it is only 4. The possibility is 4. The other should be calculated. And 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So it is in the middle of 8 and 27. So it should be 24. So the cube root of 13, 8 to 4 cube root is 24. 24 into question mark equals to 864. So 24 how many times? 864. 24 how many times? 864. 24 3 times? 72. 86 minus 72. 86 minus 72 is 14. 144. 144. 24 how many times? 144. 6 times. So question mark root is 36. Then question mark is 36 square. What is 36 square? 35 is 1225. 1296. So answer is 1296. By this we can end the present session. So till 70 questions we have solved. Okay, you please try to solve all the questions what I have shared the PDF to you. So please submit your assignments and I'll send the content what I have solved till now. I will even share in the app. So wish you all the best, and I'll take another session today, and from 70 to 100 I'll finish today. Okay, right, bye bye.